If you're sort of sitting on the fence and you've gone through Trainual and Notion and you're wondering which one of these tools are really going to benefit you, you're in the right place. Today we're going to do a head-to-head comparison of both of these tools and figure out why you should be using one over the other. So let's do it. Oh, right, before we start, don't forget to use the link in the description down below to get started with the software. It is an affiliate link, so we will get a small kickback once you've clicked on that, and you'll be helping support our channel. Right, let's do it. All right, so let's jump into Trainual now. So Trainual is trusted by more than 8,000 small businesses across industries such as real estate, healthcare, marketing, and a bunch more. It also provides comprehensive platforms for documenting your processes, onboarding, and even training your employees. The powerful solution combines standard operating procedures, policies, quizzes, and role-based assignments into one centralized system, making it ideal for organizations scaling from 5 up to 500 employees. You can also see some of their extensive features include their centralized knowledge base. You can create and organize all your company's procedures, policies, and best practices into one searchable hub, ensuring that there is consistent information access. You can also engage employees with multimedia content, including videos, images, and embedded files to enhance your learning retention. And you can monitor completion rates, quiz scores, and identify knowledge gaps with robust reporting, as well as their analytics tools. You can also see over here some of their core strengths include structured onboarding. It also includes built-in assessments. You also have a course library with more than 380 ready-to-assign courses. You also get the visual org chart, which clarifies roles and ensures accountability with interactive organization charts and built-in e-signature capabilities. All right, we're looking at Notion now. So Notion is an all-in-one workspace. Notion unifies notes, tasks, databases, and projects in one tiny little space. You can create personalized environments for personal or team productivity. You get customizable databases. Create databases with tables, Kanban calendars, and lists. You can design flexible data structures tailored to your unique needs as well as your workflows, and you can manage your tasks, your projects, content, and customer data without needing any prior coding knowledge. Easily, you can also filter, sort, and visualize information to boost team productivity as well as organization. And you get real-time collaboration. So this means simultaneous editing. This is great for large teams that are constantly on the move, always making changes. Even if they are small changes, everyone is in the know because it's real-time updated. So this means multiple users at the same time can edit, update pages, and this is live. As well as commenting and feedback that is given. You can assign tasks and leave comments easily within the platform, and you don't have to do any follow-up emails to ask if this person got that and if they were updated on this. It's all done for you in one space. You can actually also share your workspace, and this keeps teams connected across all of your locations if you have remote teams. It also has a template system, so you can use pre-built templates for project management as well as your notes. You can adapt templates to fit your workflows and as your team needs, and you can reduce setup time with their ready-made organized structures, which is always fantastic. There we go, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you enjoyed the content. If it was enjoyable, drop us a like. Don't forget to use that link in the description down below. It is an affiliate link. You'll help support our channel. Until next time, take care.